In the golden light of dawn, a lone traveler named Armin wandered deep into an ancient forest, seeking a hidden glade said to grant peace to the
On the
weary.
fourth day, as his
For
strength
3
began to
days, the
fade,
woods offered
Armand
nothing
saw
but
movement
silence,
beyond a
shadow,
veil of
and the
mist,
endless whisper
a
of
lion,
leaves.
majestic and scarred, watching him through shafts of morning light. Armand froze. The lion's mane glowed amber in the sunbeams, and for a long, breathless moment, man and beast simply stared at one another.
Then the lion limped forward. Armand noticed a thorn lodged deep in its paw. Fear and compassion wrestled inside him, but something in the lion's gaze felt almost human, a silent plea for help. Slowly, Armand knelt. The lion growled softly, but did not attack. With trembling hands, Armand pulled the thorn free.
The lion roared, the sound rolling through the forest like thunder, yet it was not anger, but relief. It bowed its great head, brushed Armand's arm with its mane, and turned away, vanishing into the shadows of the trees.
Days later, when Armand collapsed beside a moss-covered stream too weak to move, the underbrush stirred, a pack of wolves closing in, eyes glinting in the dark. Just as he braced for the end, a roar split the night. The same lion burst from the foliage, scattering the wolves. It stood guard until dawn, then disappeared once more into the wild. When Armand finally found the hidden glade, he realized the forest had given him what he sought, not refuge, not rest, but peace through the silent bond between a man and a lion.